And over here, I would like the tail twister, Line Ramel Viado. And then line tamer, Jean Tubao. LCIF coordinator, immediate past president, Sonny Francisco. Club service chair, Josie Maraya. Marketing chair, Pel Maudsley. Membership chair, Lumi Clamor. Our treasurer, Jocelyn Rangonis. Secretary, past president, Virginia Williams. Second vice president, Amante Reyes. First vice president, Joseph Rangonis. And your president, Langley Francia. Right, thank you. Y'all ready to do this? Yeah. All right. Please raise your right hand. Your reply will be, I will. For the term commencing the line year 2022-2023, will you accept the office of your position together with the privileges, opportunities, and obligations thereof? I will. Will you uphold the Constitution and bylaws of the club, District 4L6, and the policies of the International Board of Directors? I will. Thank you. Will you support the objectives of Lionism and the Lions Code of Ethics? I will. And will you exert your best efforts to inspire, lead, and extend the cause of Lionism and its programs to every part of our district and every corner of the world? I will. Now, by accepting the office of your position, I now declare you duly constituted officers of the great San Diego Forever Lions Club. Congratulations! Picture time. Whoever wants to do pictures. So are we okay on the photo op? Now I would like to please call up all the members of San Diego Forever and please join your executive board. Please. Come on up, guys. Everybody, all the members. Don't be shy. I am going to be presenting everybody with a district pin, so I would like y'all to come on up. Thank you. Go ahead and line up by Second Vice District Governor Leo Williams, and we'll work our way down that way. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Let's wrap it up. You guys are welcome to take pictures at your seats. Thank you very much. Get your pin. If you did not get your pin, let me